In a lovely village called Nalanda there lived a special man named Arjun. Arjun was not just any farmer, he was a father who deeply cared for his daughter, Aisha. Aisha was a smart and cheerful girl, but she couldn't hear like most people could. Arjun and Aisha had a special connection. They would sit on their porch every evening, talking about their dreams and wishes. One evening, Aisha signed to her father, "Dad, do you think there's a school where I can learn and be like other kids?" Arjun, his eyes full of love, said, "Of course, my dear. You can do anything you want, and we'll find a way." But their village school couldn't help Aisha because of her hearing difficulty. So, Arjun decided to take a big journey to a nearby town to find a school that could. The town was bustling and noisy, very different from their quiet village. Arjun asked around for a school that could teach Aisha, but he soon realized that it would be very expensive. Arjun worked extra hard, doing tough jobs in the fields to earn more money. Every evening, he returned home tired and dirty. But Aisha's bright smile showed how grateful she was. One evening, as the sun set, Aisha gave her father a drawing. It was a heart, a symbol of her love and thanks. Arjun, touched by her gesture, hugged her tightly, promising to keep going. As years went by, Aisha became very good at her studies and even discovered that she could paint beautifully. She painted scenes of India's colorful landscapes and strong people. One day, a famous art expert saw Aisha's paintings and was amazed. He asked her to show her art in a big city exhibition. Aisha's dream was about to come true. Father and daughter traveled to the city together. Looking at Aisha, Arjun said, "Your dreams are like the stars, my dear. Bright and beautiful." Aisha smiled and signed, "And you, Dad, are my guiding star." The exhibition was a huge success, but amidst all the excitement, Aisha and Arjun stayed humble. Aisha's art touched many hearts, and Arjun was so proud. In the middle of the city, Aisha signed to her father, "Thank you, Dad, for believing in me." Arjun, with tears in his eyes, replied, "Your dreams were worth every sacrifice." Their story became an inspiration to many, showing that a father's love can move mountains. When they returned to their peaceful village of Nalanda, their bond remained strong, just like the roots of the old trees, a true example of the love between a father and his extraordinary daughter.